Hey, Wales, good morning. Happy Thursday. It's March 20th. Let's go over and break down Tesla for this upcoming trading day. And yeah, let's dive in. So with Tesla, there's two different types of counts that I see. Okay, the main count that I have is that we have this wave 3, we have a wave 4 that got put in, and we have one more wave 5 coming down to finish off all of this as a correction. Okay, so anything between 208 down to 150 makes sense for a potential bottom here. Okay, now if you're a long-term investor, these short-term movements don't matter, guys. In my opinion, if anything under 250 bucks, you should be buying, you should be accumulating, because I do have Tesla going up to 520 bucks in the future, as well as $1,000, $2,000 in the long term. So you're just setting yourself up for success. The more you buy here in these ranges, the more you sort of accumulate. Okay. Now, coming from a trader's mindset, because I do this for a living, these short-term movements do matter. Okay. So for my first scenario, 3, 4 down to the 5. Okay. I'm on the 4-hour chart. Let's dive into the 15-minute chart here. So you can see we have that 3 to the 4. Okay. Now we're working on a 5-wave move down. Now, how I'll be playing this is that if I'm expecting more downside, right, I have the validation level here at 250. So this means that if price breaks above here, right, this count that I have, the 3 to the 4, is completely wrong, right? So that's why I have that invalidation level. So how I'm going to be playing it is I have a 1, 2, and then the 3 wave coming down. So I'm going to take the inverse fibs from the top and then swing low to that 1, right? And you can see now that we potentially have a short zone between, let's say, 233 up to 245. So this is my short zone, and I'm going to be aiming for 215 to 11 here. Okay. We don't know if this is going to come true or not, right? But if that's the case, that's sort of my setup. I have a stop loss above 251, right? So this is sort of my everyday sort of scenarios that I do, right? I do this every single day. So I look at the patterns, I look at the scans, and I just trade what's in front of me. I don't have any bias, right? I just try to make as much money as possible on a daily time frame. So or everyday time frame, right? So I'm looking at this as sort of my setup here, right? And again, stop loss above 251, targeting 215 to 11. Now, there is another case where we could have bottomed, guys. All right. And if we did bottom, then of course this would be a wave C, this would be a wave 2. And what's going to probably happen then if we did bottom is that this low here, guys, this was the absolute low, and we're actually going to make a new uptrend like this. 5 waves up, 3 wave down, and then 5 wave up again. Okay, so that's sort of the second scenario here. And if that's the case, okay, we have a wave 1, 2 that got put in, and now we're going for 3, 4, 5, right? So we're looking at a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3-wave move down, A, B, C, and then a push up. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at on the 15-minute time frame, and you could be longing, let's say, these levels here, right? Anywhere around those levels, because now you have a potential higher low. Now you have a potential higher low. You have this trend line that's forming as well. So this would be sort of the buy zone that you're looking at for Tesla between, let's say, 233 down to 227, right? So that is the bottom contender, right? If we don't break below, these lows, right? So anything can happen. But for me, right, as a day trader, I only win 40 to 50% of my trades. Right. So I can't predict the future. All I can do is, play the best probabilities, see what's going on, right? And just trade what's in front of me. Let the market decide. So hope that helps, guys. Let's see what happens with Tesla. We don't know if this is the bottom or if we have one more lower. Who knows, right? We'll just let the markets decide, and we'll play the trades as we see it. Until then, I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.